Hi guys, BrickNut30 here with another vintage set review, and this time we have set 6687 Turboprop, and this was released in 1987 with 67 pieces and 2 minifigures. Now, we'll start with this guy because he's obviously the airport staff, as he's got the aeroplane symbol on the front of his torso, and he's got the 2 wands to guide the plane around the airport. But as normal, solid stud on the head, standard smiley face, no back printing, but it still looks good. And the second figure is obviously the pilot, which is just grey legs, standard blue torso, with it looks like it's meant to be a shirt because he's got shirt buttons, the collar and the shirt pockets, no back printing, solid stud, standard black hairpiece for the time period as well. Yep, just your run-of-the-mill figure. This is a set, by the way, I built using instructions I downloaded. Which is quite an easy build. All the parts are mostly common parts and easy obtainable parts. It's got 3 wheels. So just your standard 3-wheel layout. 2 engines. I have to say the propellers do come close to the fuselage. It's only a single seater, so I'm assuming this is just a small private plane. It's got the standard marker lights as planes have, tail fin. Doesn't really do anything. I mean, the only bit that opens is the roof piece. There is a little luggage area in the back there. So you put a suitcase or something in there. But, yeah, it's a nice little piece to add, well, to an airport of that era. Again, if you're like me and you're into your vintage stuff, then, and you've got one of the vintage airports from the 80s, then yeah, this would be a nice one to add to the airport fleet, if you like. I know Lego did quite a few various planes and things. I do have some, but I haven't got them made. Appears I've got a sticky wheel on the bottom. Which one is it? I don't know. Well, it could be the surface, actually. This is quite a grippy surface, so it's a nice red and white colour with like a black stripe going through it. I'm set our pilot back in. I'm not big on planes and helicopters, but oh, I nearly forgot. It does have a printed brick in there for the console, gauges and things. And put our pilot back in. Close the roof. It's well balanced. You know, it doesn't want to tip backwards. So it's been balanced well. I think Lego did a good job of this one. I do have a vintage airport, but again, that's not made up. Mostly due to lack of space. I've got so many models that are not made up, which is mostly down to lack of space. Like the airport, that does take up quite a bit of room. I haven't got anywhere to put it, so I might make it up one day and do a review on it, because I've got the instructions. That was a set I bought as spares on eBay, because it was incomplete, but I do believe I completed it, if memory serves correctly. Anyway, even in modern cities, that would be a nice little plane. Just a small private jet, real planes can get quite small like this, where, they can seat like 1 or 2 people, so it would still fit with a modern airport theme. Like I said, you could even modify this and just extend the fuselage slightly so you can put a second figure in there, if you wanted to modify it like that. That shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. Yeah. Anyway, if you like the video, then don't forget to like. It's much appreciated, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.